Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video we are going to be I'm going to be trying to create some earrings out of printable what is this, shrinky dink. Y'all, today is Friday. Friday is usually like woo. Y'all, let me tell y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this Amazon package and talk to y'all. Let me tell y'all, I went to Walmart, went on ahead, loaded my cart up, you know, stuff for the house, stuff for the kids, you know, food, all that. Go up to the register. I don't got my card, y'all. I can't even pay for my stuff. I don't have my card. My husband did not, he used my card last night when he went to go get something to eat, and he did not put it back in my purse. Who does that? So, so that's where I'm at right now. Like, my whole errand day of running errands is just done. It's over. But this is what the shrink film look like. So hopefully my craft goes a little bit better and, you know, perks me up. I came home to craft to get this stress off. You feel me? So this is what it looks like. And supposedly, if this works, you guys, this is going to be freaking awesome, because you could print whatever you want on this and it just shrinks down and gets like hard, like a thick like a plastic, like an actual charm. But y'all, I'm trying to make some huge earrings. So you can bake it, but I'm not going to bake it. I'm going to be using my my heat gun. That's also another thing I gotta look for and find. You guys, please wish me luck. Friday is just not starting off good. It's not starting off good. But let's go ahead and get into this craft. Before I go, I'm talking about my Friday. How is you guys' Fridays doing? Do you guys have any plans? I did have plans. I can't. My plans are out the door now. So guess what? I have no plans either. I have no plans at all. I'm free. I'm free. Anybody want to get together and do something? But guess what? I can't pay. I don't got my card, so I can't pay. But I can go. How are you guys doing this Friday? I'd love to hear. Alright, you guys, so here is my images that I printed out. Now, it says that the side that you printed on doesn't matter. Both sides do appear to be the same. Now, what I did do is, because when they shrink down, the colors are going to get darker. So I did go in and lighten them up just a little bit, but not much. So I'm interested to see if these get like a really dark pink or if they stay a light pink. Who knows? Okay, now just to let you guys know, so we can see how much these things shrink, the Chanel's, this is 5.2 inches by 4.2, and the little triangles are just 3.3 inches by 2.8. So I'm hoping that they're still decent size earrings and they're not like really small, because that would just totally ruin what I'm trying to go for. So right now I'm just going to go ahead, cut them out, and then I'll be right back. I just wanted to come on here really quickly just to show you the size difference and the color difference. Like this it no longer looks pink. Like it looks like a, what is that? Like a coral actually. So my idea for some pink earrings is gone. But I mean, still gonna be cute. These definitely darkened up. Cute. But do you see that size difference? Like that's a huge difference right there. Huge difference. And I'm going to go ahead and put some heat to this one in real time just so you guys can see how long it takes. Now this is going to be on low, but I'm going to turn the sound off so you guys can't hear it.